Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. As you know, as you see here on my channel, we do unboxing videos of art boxes and subscription boxes. We've done art snap, we've done powerful packs, and now we're doing Sketchbox, which is right here. So, which came in the mail early, so I'm really excited. So this is the October box, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm really excited for this box. So if you're new here, I'm Anna from Anna's Charlie channel. I do cartoons, hyper-realistic art, and everything I can get my hands on. That's why it's called Anna's Charlie channel. So if you're new here, that's who I am. So why don't you subscribe down below, help me get to 800 subscribers. That'd be amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box together, and like we've done several times before, so I'm really excited. This was gifted to me by Lee. Alex is my brother's girlfriend, so thank you, Lee, for this 3-month subscription box as well. So we're gonna go ahead and open the box together. So without further ado, let's open the box together. So first up, as always, we're opening the box. And October is Inktober, so there might be some ink stuff in here, but I'm not sure. So depending on how it is, I might have to film the rest of the video tomorrow. But we're opening the box together now. So, depending, because I have a friend coming over tonight. So, I don't want to mess up the downstairs or anything like that. So bear with me as I continue to film this video. But let's open the box. So inside, we have the menu. And yes, it seems to be ink themed. So we might have to wait and film this tomorrow, which I'm really excited. So it seems to be like an ink themed art. Here is the arts right here. So I'm really excited for that. Dennis Brown is the artist, arranged in different parts of Asia, Hawaii, Philippines, and Japan. I can't pronounce that, but studied illustration at Ridley College of Art Design. 2001-2005, currently Dennis resides in San Francisco, working full-time as a designer, and in free time puts energy towards developing work for gallery shows and other self-generated art projects. I cannot read today. But this is the art. Inside looks pretty cool, and have maybe used with ink. So that is the art inside. We're going to go ahead and open the rest of the box. See here. We have the ink, which I'm really excited to use. So we might have to film this video in 2 parts tomorrow. So, because I want to film this probably downstairs. So, because it is ink, and I don't want to mess up the carpet. So, here is one of the inks. Here is, one of the inks, I don't know which ink it is, it really doesn't say. It's by AP. It's kind of a different language, but this is one of the inks here. So, here is the paper, which is Arnhem 100% rag paper. It's excellent for a variety of techniques, including printmaking, drawing, lettering, and painting. So that's interesting. Let's see what's in the wrapping paper here. I know there is more art supplies, if I'm not mistaken. All over the place. Okay. I'm going to set the wrapping paper on the side. Okay, so we have a brush pen, it looks like. We have a brush pen. So we can't use the brush pen today, actually, but here is some gold ink, calligraphy ink, which is very interesting. So here's some gold ink. Ooh, we have pencils. We have a brush, another brush pen, which is very interesting. We have a brush and pencil, 2H. We have, let's see, we have a sticker, which is the art supply. So I'm really excited for that. So I'm really excited for this box because it's really based on ink, because Inktober is coming up. So I'm going to set that down here. So we're going to go ahead and test the art supplies of what we can test. The reason I say that is because the ink can get really messy, and I just want to say I might not try all the supplies in today's video. I can always do a part 2. But at least we have some supplies to try, so I'm really excited about that. So I'm really excited for the gold ink and the India ink, I think that is. So really excited for that. But we have brush pen, and actually I've been meaning to get more brush pens, so this came at a perfect time. Because I've been doing a lot of cartoon art and everything, so I'm really excited. So we're going to go ahead and sketch something, try these art supplies out. I'm really excited, so let's get on with the video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So, I'm thinking of posting this on Thursday. Today's Wednesday, I'm editing this. I filmed this on Tuesday, so it takes several days to make a video now, so that's why you don't see me posting very often as I used to, but anyways, that's not the point of the video. But for today's video, I thought we would do an unboxing of the Sketchbox, which came in the mail on Tuesday. It came early, so I was really happy about that. Definitely before Inktober, and it is Inktober themed box. So you see me here testing out the art supplies, and no, I did not test all of them because I need to be downstairs to test some of them, because they can get quite messy. Just to clarify that, but I'm sure I'll love the supplies. But this one I am testing the brush pens, gel pens, and it was this fun box, and I was actually pretty happy that I had received a brush pen with this box because I've been needing a new one. But I'm really happy with it. I've been using it a lot with the Inktober. I started my Inktober early. That way I don't feel pressure enough to finish the challenge when the month ends. So, which is very helpful because I'm really excited. I'm like, I gotta start. So, I'm really excited that I started Inktober early, and I'm going to go ahead and stick to the prompt list that I created. So, I will put that prompt list at the end of the video so you can take a screenshot of it. If you want me to mail, or send you a copy or whatnot, message me on Instagram. I'm email08 on Instagram, and we are growing on Instagram, so I'm really excited about that. So, definitely go ahead and message me in the comment section or on this video, or message me on Instagram. And guys, if I don't post on YouTube, I want to talk about that real quickly. I do post a lot on Instagram, so my Instagram username is email08, so if we go check that out. I usually post daily, twice a day. So every day, so I post on there if I don't post on YouTube. So I just want to mention that, and the problem is on my Instagram if you want to go check that out as well. So and I will post it again because Inktober is so close. So I'm really excited. So let me talk about the drawing of what we're drawing today. I've been learning about different styles that are out there, and I've been testing the waters of different styles I want to go for. This one's a little bit cartoony on the side of this girl here I'm drawing. And I love this brush pen. This brush pen is great. It has the thicker side of the brush pen, and then it has a nib at the other end of the brush pen. And I was really happy with it, how it has thinner nib and a brush pen on one side. Or both sides, but anyway, here coloring the lips, and I'm pretty happy with the drawing overall. So sorry I did not try all the art supplies. I did try the ink towards the end of the video, so you'll see that. And so I've been happy with this box. I'm really excited to use it for Inktober. I'm already on day 4 for Inktober, but I need to do day 3. So with that being said, I'm really excited that I was able to use these art supplies for day 4, which is Haunted Graveyard. So that day was pretty spooky. So let me back up. So let me talk about my Inktober process, Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So, or to this part of the video. So we've opened the supplies, and as you saw in the previous clip, I went ahead and tried out the ink. I didn't try out the gold one yet because that's a small jar and I want to open it in the bathroom. So we're going to open that another time. So I am really excited with these art supplies. I'm getting really confident with these boxes because I feel like I can make something with it, and which we did here, a portrait. So I'm really excited about this one. So that was a lot of fun. So opening this box, and that was the last box I will be getting, I believe. So this is the October box of Sketchbox. So I'm really excited for this box here. Thank you, Lee, so much for the subscription boxes here and from the past that you have got me. So I'm really excited about those, and it's just been a blast getting comfortable with the art supplies and having a lot of fun. And you know, I was in art block, and this really helped me, and I'm really excited to get back into cartooning and everything like that. So there's going to be lots of content for you guys coming up. I'm going to do again on Friday, the night show, so that's going to be a video. I do have a video already filmed of my Inktober plans, and that's coming up. So be on the lookout for videos and everything. So I'm really excited about that. I do have a friend coming over tonight, so I'm not sure if there's a video posting tonight. I'm filming this on Tuesday, so this week is pretty busy. So hopefully I can post videos, but if not, you'll understand. So anyway, thank you, Lee, so much for the subscription boxes, and thank you again. I had so much fun creating art with it, and it's just a lot of fun getting these boxes in the mail. So if you guys are new here, I'm Anna from Anna's Drawing Channel. I do cartoon art, everything in mixture of, that's why I call it Anna's Drawing Channel. I try everything and anything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Thank you again, Lee, for these boxes. I had so much fun with them. Hopefully you had fun watching the video, and yeah, thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, turn your notification bell so you won't miss a video. I try to post every day, but if not, I'm going to try to. I'm going to stop saying that because I feel like I haven't been up my game lately, so bear with me on that. Life's just crazy right now, so yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.